ready to bring your established WordPress content to your Substack effortlessly. First, log into your WordPress account and navigate to the Tools section in the left-hand menu. Within the Tools menu, click on Export. This will take you to the Export Options page. On the Export screen, you'll see different options for a complete migration. Select All Content. If you only want to export your posts, choose Posts. Once you've selected your content, click the Download Export File button. This will generate an XML file containing all your chosen WordPress content. Save this file to a location on your computer you can easily access. Now, head over to your Substack publication dashboard. Click on Settings in the top navigation bar. Scroll down the Settings page until you find the Import or Migration section. The exact wording might vary slightly, but look for an option related to bringing in content from other platforms. Here, you'll see a clear option to upload a file. Click on this button or drag and drop your previously downloaded WordPress XML file into this area. Substack will now process your WordPress export file. This might take a few moments, depending on the size of your content. And that's it. Your WordPress blog posts are now successfully imported into your Substack publication, ready to be enjoyed by your new audience.